Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at the next generation of footwear. Yeah, 3D printed footwear. These are from Nexbie, and we've been wearing these for over a month, and I've actually been wearing 3D printed shoes now for over a year and absolutely love them. I've used them inside, I've used them outside, and they are super durable and they look super cool. So in today's video, we'll take a look at the shoes. I'll show you the website, why you should consider these, because they're not just cool, but they actually feel super comfortable too. Let's get right to it. Now, Nexbie reached out and said, hey, would you like to check out our gym shoes? And I said, absolutely yes. Take a look at these. Don't these look like gym shoes? They absolutely do. They have a great see-through. You see how you can see right through them? They have this mesh or lattice type technology, which really creates a very airy feel to the shoe, and they're very comfortable. They have laces, just like you would expect shoes would, and these are slip-ons. I can actually slip these on without having to loosen the laces, and they don't come off my feet whatsoever. They have great support, arch support, and they don't overheat your feet, even if you're wearing socks. I'm able to wear these with or without socks as well. Now, if we take a look at right here what's going on with the shoes, you'll notice, again, a lot of the attributes or similarities between normal gym shoes and these are really present, except that you have this airy mesh look. You have your laces, you have your lace lock. Here, you'll notice that the tongue isn't connected. It's only connected on one side. And like I said, I wear these by slipping my feet in all the time, and I've had no issues. Notice the bottom so that you can see that they have been worn, and they're worn every single day. And you can see the wear marks on the very bottom and how that looks. And yes, I've tried these outside and I tried them inside. Only thing is when I bring them inside, I wash them because we have house shoes and then we have outside shoes. We try to keep, we don't like bringing things into the house. You'll see what they look like on the side here. And let me just focus on one for a second. You do have that lattice. You can wear these with or without socks. I've worn both. And again, they don't overheat because of how airy they are. Great arch support. Matter of fact, that when you're walking, they have kind of like this energy added to your steps because of how the impact kind of just pushes back power. I don't know how to explain it, but it's just a really good feel. You'll notice how the heel is right here, really nicely well supported. And again, as I'm wearing socks or no socks, I don't get the back of the shoe digging into my heel, like the back, like you see with some other things. I know sometimes when Nilda gets new shoes or I get new dress shoes, you may run into that where sometimes you even have to put a Band-Aid because it kind of cuts in there. Not a problem with these at all. And again, these are 3D printed, not FDM printed, but it's almost like a resin print that you'll see in the video. And I really think that this is going to be the future of footwear. I went back and re-edited this video because I want to really show you how easy it is to put these shoes on and how comfortable they are and how they look. Now, I have some short socks. They have a black background on it so they don't stand out. I would not wear these with white socks, definitely black ones. And you can see how easy it is to just put these on. Just slide them in like this and slide them in like this, and you're set to go. So there's no really loosening any of the laces. I'm turning around so you can see that right here, how they look. This is what the back looks like when they're on. And I really enjoy these. These have become one of my favorite shoes. I actually wear these so much in the house, even though I should probably even use these outside. But I enjoy them so much that they're my house gym shoes. But I could use them out on the street as well. And when you walk, the experience is pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and go back a little bit so you can see this, how this works. And again, it has this really springy step to it. And you can see, I don't know if they stand out as being, hey, I'm 3D printed, but you can see what they look like. Look at the front right here. You see that? Just so excellent. These are definitely, I recommend these so much. Just enjoy them so much. So this is what they look like when they're on. And also, it's easy to take off. All I do is I just kick them off like this, and I'm set to go. So super easy to put on and super easy to put off. Now let's take a closer look at their website so we can see everything that this product offers. And as you can see here, these look so good. They really look good. I wish I was bold enough where I can wear like something like an orange, but I'm kind of chicken. So we're going to go ahead and go in here and look at the ones that they have available. Now we were looking at this one right here, the Aero Rays 3D printed sneakers. They do have the Aero Cloud, which are more like slip-ons. You can see this. And then they have for children too. So they have these smaller ones. Let's go into this one so we can see the options that we have. They have several options. First of all, 3D lattice arch support, like we talked about. It has an elastic impact cushioning, which is super comfortable. Quick drain design, you saw that as well, and it's breathable and odor resistant. All-terrain performance. We'll scroll down a little bit so you can see all the details here. This is a really good illustration of the stuff that I was talking about. So first of all, you have great 3D arch support. So you can see that arch support taking place right here. Then you also see kind of like the little, I would say the shoestring kind of tie and the clasp that you can see there. And as we go further down, I've been experiencing this as I've been walking. You do feel that rebound, right? So you kind of get like a little bounce to your step. So you have to be a little bit careful. What I found is, especially as I'm going upstairs, and if you're going up wood stairs, like when I go from one floor to another in my home, this bounciness, it takes a little getting used to. It's not something that you should be really afraid of, but I found myself having a little bit too much energy when I'm walking, just to be aware of that. And it doesn't collapse, right? So let's go over here. This little pop-up came up. You can see the kind of material. And this is what I was talking about, that the material is actually, it's not an FDM printer, but it's more like a resin printer that's printing this, and it drives it from the bottom up. Let's see when that comes back right here, and you'll be able to see it. So see it right here. So this is very similar to some of the resin printers that we have reviewed. And again, this opens up just a whole world of possibilities when it comes to, what I would say is apparel and actual shoes. Very, very cool. Slip resistance, weatherproof, eco-friendly, machine washable. I haven't tried that. I've hosed mine down, but they don't really smell. So that's kind of something that I find interesting. So here we have some more information. EVA, PC-free design, right? We have low odor compared to shoes, a skin-friendly comfort. And I've been wearing these both barefooted and with socks. They work well. One-piece printed structure, stable structure, very true. Open air lattice, right? Doesn't seem that. And then you have the light comfort. So again, just a great pair of shoes. And you also see that it's available in a lot of colors. So you do have a purple, right? And this is what it looks like in purple. You have it in orange. I think orange is cool. I want to say, I know there's going to be some of you that may like purple. I kind of like the orange and the black if I was bold. Neon, not my color. This definitely nailed this color, right? Now, from a size perspective, check this out. The one thing I've noticed is that, again, you're looking at men's, women, right? So an 8 is going to be a woman's 9.5, but when you go all the way up to a men's 9, there's no 9.5. And that's something that I noticed, and notice the 10s are sold out, it looks like. So what is this? The men's 10, which is the women's 11. Why would it be that way? I would think that it would have been backwards. Anyway, so you'll just need to make sure that you pick the right size. So I'm typically a 9.5, and I got this one right here. Men's 9, women's 10.5. So this seemed to fit well. I may try getting an 11.5. This may work. I don't know if this would be too big for me, because this is working for me, but I would like to have a little bit more room. This is just a big jump. This is almost like a big one full size. It has a size chart, and if I were to look at, notice, if I look at men's 9, it says I should go with the 10.5, or this is the 10.5 one. I don't really see a 9.5, which I find kind of weird, right? And it's giving you all these details. Anyways, very cool. And again, this technology is just like so transformational, and the shoes look great. And more importantly, they feel great too. Overall, these are, for me, if you want, this is not just about novelty. This is not just something like to say, hey, I got 3D printed shoes. But when you look at these, more importantly, when you wear these, they feel so good. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.